I grew up in Indiana and lived in Washington, D.C. for 40 years. I hiked a lot. I went to the Grand Canyon. I went overseas to the Dominican Republic, to Africa. I just didn't sit at home very much. My first symptoms of NTM were just a cough, and it wasn't a dry, day-by-day coughing. It was kind of a violent coughing in spasms. And so it was kind of like grab your ribs and just cough, cough, cough. And at one point I broke 2 ribs, which is a very painful injury. I could no longer go out to lunch with friends because I would cough all through lunch. Couldn't go out to a movie theater. Couldn't go to church. I would cough all through the service. I just felt lonely and scared. I went to 15 different doctors in various medical specialties, pulmonologists, cardiologists, allergists, infectious disease doctors. I coughed for over 2 years before I was finally diagnosed with this disease. I went to a major hospital that focused on lung disease. And it was at that hospital, as soon as I walked in the door, they knew I had NTM. It was almost the first thing out of their mouths. They said, you know, you're an older woman, you're slender, you've been coughing for a couple years now, and you have underlying bronchiectasis. I fit the pattern. Finally, somebody somewhere put all the pieces of the puzzle together, and it was almost a joyous experience to know what I had, that I wasn't crazy.